Hello friends, in this video I will show you how you can design a light sensor. Okay, so the circuit which I am going to design that will detect the light. Okay, so first of all I will explain the circuit diagram and then after I will show you that how it works. So now here you have the circuit diagram. As you can see on the screen here, 2 volt here it is taken, then one LDR light dependent resistor, one 10 kilo ohm resistor, one 2 and double 2 type transistor, one LED and one 470 ohm resistor. Okay, so circuit is simple. So now I will explain you how this circuit works. Okay, first of all 2 volt supply here it is given. So now what happens, so this is the LED. So for this LED to glow, the current should pass through this. Okay, and current will pass through this only in the case when the voltage for this LED is sufficient. Okay, and this is the transistor which is used as a switch. When the voltage it is sufficient, means if it is turned on, then the circuit current will flow through this. Okay, so current will flow through the transistor only in the case when this is in the saturation state. Okay, in the saturation state this transistor will act as closed switch and the current will flow through this transistor. And when the voltage, or you can say the biasing voltage, is not sufficient to make this transistor to conduct current, then in that case this transistor will act as open switch, and when the biasing voltage is sufficient, then in that case this transistor will act as a closed switch. Okay, so we will use transistor as switch in this case. Okay, and this LDR light dependent resistor here is used as variable resistor to establish a biasing voltage which is required for this transistor to conduct current and go into the saturation state. Okay, so I will show you how this works. So here you have, this is the circuit diagram, and if you want to know more about how the circuit works in theoretical terms, then can write in the comment section. So now you can see here, now this is the circuit. So here 2 volt, as you can see in the power supply. So 2 volt here it is taken from this dual power supply. Okay, so here you can see the voltage it can range from 0 to 30 volt. 0 to 30 volt can range, and maximum current it can reach to 2 ampere. So here I am taking the 2 volt voltage and I am using channel 1. So this is dual channel power supply. From here also I can take, and from this side also I can take. Okay, I can take from here also and here also. So only the first channel I am using to take voltage. Okay, then after here it is turned on, and for that here I am using to mount different electronic devices and components. You know what, one breadboard I am using. So on this breadboard whatever electronic devices and components shown in the circuit are here mounted. Here breadboard I have used because it is easy to mount and unmount different electronic devices and components. So now here I will show. So here this is LDR light dependent resistor. This is LED, red color LED, and this is 10 kilo ohm resistor, and here we have 2 and double 2 type transistor. Okay, so as you can see the light from my mobile, it is falling on the LDR. So that's why you can see here this LED is glowing. Now you can see here this LED is glowing. Why? Because light is falling on the LDR, and due to which the current through this LED is also flowing, and due to that current this LED is emitting light. Now you can see here light is coming from the LDR. As I am going to cover the LDR, means the transparent surface of this LDR, if I am going to cover or if I, you can say, cover this by using any, you can see here, as I'm covering, so you will see that this LED will not glow as it is going to be covered. Now you see, okay, now it is not glowing. Why? Light is not falling on LDR, so due to which the current through this LED is also not flowing. Okay, so that's why this is acting as light sensor. Now you can see it is sensing light. If light falls on LDR, then it will sense and the LED will glow. So if LED is glowing, it means it shows that light is present, and if LED is not glowing, it means light is not present. Okay, so as I'm going to uncover the surface of this LDR, the LED will glow. So here, now you can see here, first as I'm going to, now here it is covered, so now LED is not glowing. As I'm going to uncover, now you can see here LED is glowing. Okay, so whether the LED will glow or not, it depends on the light falling on the surface of LDR. If it is falling, if light is falling, then LED will glow, and if light is not falling, LED will not glow. It means we can say this circuit is acting as a light sensor. Okay, thank you all for watching. For more videos, you can go into the playlist section. There you can get more videos. Thank you.